नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कसे आहात तुम्ही सर्वजण? नक्कीच सुरक्षित आणि मजेत असाल. अभ्यास करतायत ना? आज आपण आपल्या पुढच्या नवीन प्रकरणाकडे वळणार आहोत. इयत्ता 9च्या 9व्या प्रकरणाला आज आपण सुरुवात करणार आहोत. We are going to study our 9th chapter. The name of this chapter is Environmental Management. Environmental म्हणजे पर्यावरणीय आणि मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे व्यवस्थापन. पर्यावरणीय व्यवस्थापन, एन्व्हायरमेंटल मॅनेजमेंट. चला तर मग बघूया या प्रकरणात नवीन काय काय दिलेलं आहे ते. Before starting our chapter, can you recall how does the atmosphere affect our daily life? Please think well and give answer to the question. Yes? Right. The climate surrounding us, it has a greater impact on our life and our diet, clothing, festivals, our health, our lifestyle, all are related according to the climatic conditions. So you can imagine well that how the atmosphere affects our daily life. There may be heavy rainfall, there may be some storms, there may be a cyclone which causes many disturbances in our life. All of us watch television daily, or some of us listen Akashvani. Forecast about weather related factors are given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan and Akashvani. Can you tell me which factors are considered during this forecast? Listen the question again. Which weather factors are considered or given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan or Akashvani? Think over the question and write the answer in your notebook. We are listening the term weather and climate. So what is weather? Atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. This is the definition of weather. Atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. Dear students, we always say that today it is very hot. Today it is too cold. It's raining today. So all these terms or all these statements are related with the weather. So what is weather? The atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred as weather. Weather depends upon the prevailing conditions of the year. So what is meant by prevailing conditions? Prevailing means the conditions which are found everywhere. The conditions of air which are found everywhere are called as prevailing conditions of the air. The climate of a particular region is average of daily readings of various weather related parameters which are recorded for several years, and hence climate is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. There are some factors called as climatic factors or weather related factors on which our weather is related. Climate does not change continuously. It is that what remain constant in a region for a long duration. And thus we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and longer area. This is the major difference between climate and weather. Please point down or note down. Weather is related to a specific location and specific time, while climate is related to a longer duration and longer area. Changes in the weather may occur for a short period of time, whereas changes in the climate takes place slowly over a much long duration. Climate plays an important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. It also influences our occupations. On the screen, you can observe if there is a desert, then which type of food human eat, how they wear the clothes. If the region is polar region, means there is ice everywhere, then in such conditions, which is the shelter of human? Yes, can you identify it? It is an igloo. It is made up of ice. You can also observe the clothing at polar region. Dear students, you can note the difference between the clothing in desert region and the human clothing in polar region. Also, in heavy rainy regions, the houses of humans are made up of bamboo. You can observe on the screen. So, in this manner, we can say that climate affect or climate influence our daily needs like food, clothing, and shelter. There are some weather related factors or climatic factors. Which are those? So, atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility, and temperature all are called as climatic factors. Why these are called as climatic factors? Because all these factors affect the climate or the weather of that particular area, and so they are referred as climatic factors or weather related factors. Please observe the chart in front of you on the screen and draw the diagram in your notebook. What is the importance of weather in the living world? Please think and write the answer or give the answer to the question in your own language. Land, water bodies, plants, animals in the particular area, they affect the daily weather as well as they also affect the natural environment on the earth and the development of the organisms present in that particular area. The diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyles of the people of that particular region is determined by the climate of that area. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people. Also, salinity of marine water, समुद्राच्या पाण्याची क्षारता. Formation of oceanic current. Oceanic currents, समुद्र प्रवाहाची निर्मिती. Water cycle, जलचक्र. All are related to various weather and climatic factors. Various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth crust. Climate plays an important role in the formation of enrichment of soil. Microbes in the soil play an important role in formation of organic materials. This process depends upon various climatic factors. And from all these points, we can say that weather is very important for the living world.